In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up form in Godaddy in 2026. First, open your browser and head to the Godaddy website. If you aren't already signed in, log into the account that manages the site you want to work on. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see your account area, which typically shows your name or email address. Click that to open the account menu. From that menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything in your account. Here, find the website or business you want to work on. If you manage multiple sites or stores, take a moment to pick the correct one so any changes you make apply in the right place. After you select the business, you'll land in the dashboard for that specific site. On the left side panel, scroll down until you see the Customers section. Click Customers. This area is where GoDaddy groups your contact tools like lists, signups, and related settings, so it's the hub for managing who is joining your audience. Inside Customers, look for sign-up forms and click it. This is where your email capture and contact forms live. You might see one or several forms here, depending on what's already been set up. Identify the form you want to adjust and click Edit. That opens the form editor, where you can change how the form appears and how it's labeled within your account. At the top of the editor, find the pencil icon next to the form's title. Click that pencil to make the title editable. Now type in the form title you want. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can instantly tell which form is which later on. For example, instead of a generic sign-up form, use a name like Homepage Newsletter, Blog Sidebar Opt-in, or Checkout Email Capture. A precise title makes reporting and troubleshooting much easier, especially if you have more than one form. Once you've entered the title, click OK to save it. That confirms the change and updates the way this form is labeled in your dashboard. If you don't see the new name immediately, give the page a moment to refresh. That's it. You navigated to your account, opened My Products, selected the correct business, went to Customers, opened Sign Up Forms, clicked Edit, used the pencil icon to rename the form, and saved with OK. Clear names keep your workflow organized and help you and your team know exactly which form is being referenced at a glance. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.